Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Shivam from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will discuss how to modify quick look settings. Before proceeding further, let us take a look at agenda for today's video. The topics we will discuss under this video are how to connect to another Axon server, how to configure hotkeys, and how to change preferences. Let us proceed to the first topic on how to connect to another Axon server. For this, open your Axon Quick Look app and click on Edit. Now go to Settings, navigate to the Server tab. Here you will find the information about the current Axon server. You can modify these values to connect to another Axon server. Once the server information is modified here and the information for another Axon server is provided, click on Test. If the information is valid, the connection test will be successful. Now click on OK. Now the Quick Look is connected to another Axon server. You can search for the glossary objects from the new Axon instance from here in the search box. Next, we will change the combination for Axon Quick Look hotkeys. For this, go to Edit and then to Settings. The current tab displays the combination of hotkeys using which you can initiate the Quick Look search from any other document such as Microsoft Word document or a PDF document. Once you have selected the desired combination of at least two modifier keys and an alphabet key, click on OK. The hotkey combination will now be modified. To test whether the hotkey combination is modified or not, open any other external application where the glossary name or the substring from a glossary name is present. Here we have a Word document where the glossary name from Axon is present. You can select the entire name or a substring from this name. Here we have a Word document where the glossary name from Axon is present. You can either select the entire name or a substring of this name and then press the Axon Quick Look hotkeys. Once you press the hotkeys, if the glossary is present in Axon, the Quick Look app will appear displaying either a list of glossaries or a single glossary. As you can see here, all the glossary names with the substring gloss are listed in the Axon Quick Look search window. This confirms that the Axon Quick Look hotkeys have been modified. Let us proceed further and see how to modify preferences in Axon Quick Look. For this, go to Edit button and then go to Settings. Now navigate to Preferences tab. All the preferences related to Axon Quick Look will appear here. As per the current settings, the Quick Look app will be launched with the system startup, and when users open the Quick Look app, they will land on the search page. If you do not want Axon Quick Look app to be launched with the system startup, you can uncheck this checkbox. By default, when a glossary is searched in Quick Look app, the number of lines of description that will appear in the search result are 3. Users can modify this setting from the third field present on the screen, maximum lines of description in search result. They can choose the desired number and click OK. The settings will be changed. This was all about how to modify settings for Axon Quick Look app. If you have any further queries or want to provide your feedback on the video, please contact us on these two links. Thank you for watching the video.